Hi Tootsie family, my name is Kateria. I am the owner of Tootsienailss, the brand itself. We will be launching our website this Friday, January 29th at 5:05 p.m. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. On top of that, you get 5% off your whole entire order, only valid on launch day if you go ahead and click the link in the description box below, which is our website, and subscribe your email so that way we can send you the code. I will also be posting a video on here every single day leading up to launch day. So today's Sunday, launch day is Friday, and I'm going to be posting a video every day. So my next video will be the Q&A that I talked about a while ago, and I'm going to post that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please, 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 please share. If you go look on the Tootsienailss website, we have some posts already that you can share. And like I said, I'll be doing a random giveaway, meaning I'll be picking a random person to give whatever away to, and that the person is going to be picked based off who's been sharing the most, who's been supporting Tootsienailss the most. So make sure you're doing that, support small businesses. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
Hi my beautiful homegirls and my handsome homeboys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to do dip powder nails with acrylic powder. Because these nails are way longer, I'm going to be pouring on top of the nails with the powder instead of dipping them in. So right now I'm just going in and blending the tip and the natural nail, as well as buffing the whole tip, because we're going to be using dip powder. So now I'm just going in and clipping all of them just a little shorter so it makes it easier. And then of course we're going to go in and shape and file the nails. I do turn it upside down to shape these because it just makes it easier on me, and I can hold the nail in place more. I'm using Typhalon or something like that nail file. This is the dip powder system I'm going to be using, Cosmo. We're going to go in with number 1, which is the dip prep. So you just go over very thinly on all of the nails, wait till it dries, and then go over with another layer. Or you can wait till it dry, leave it how it is, or you can wait till it dry and go in with a primer. I'm going to go in with the number 2, which is the dip base. It has the numbers on it. I'm going to go right above where the natural nail and the tip meet. Because this is a practice hand, I'm not going to build the apex first. In one of my previous videos I did it on myself and then I built the apex, and I'm going to be doing this system again later on this week. We're doing a marathon because of my website launch. So yeah, I'm going to be doing it on myself so that way you can see how to correctly build the apex with this. After you have it to your liking, you're going to go ahead and go in with the number 3, which is the dip activator. And this one you want to be very generous and put a good bit on it. I say go over it 3 times at least. After you do 3 layers with the dip base, regardless whether you're done or not, go in with the dip activator. So I went into shape and file and I started with this coarse fit, but it didn't work. So I went in with the medium grit medium grit drill bits. Yes, that's what's called, the safety bit. And this works so much better. So I am going over the whole nail eventually and buffing it. If you're doing this on yourself, you will go over it with the dip activator again just to seal everything in. These are the polishes that I'm going to be using. I didn't go over with the dip activator again just because I'm using a false hand. I'm going to go in with this hot pink first. I like to go with the bottom and then go to the cuticle area. That's just the way I put on my gel polish, which is crazy because I just realized y'all never see me put on gel polish. Then I'm going to go in with a lighter pink, and this one is from Model Ones. It came in my acrylic thingy thing, not acrylic. It came in my gel polish set. This other one, champagne, came in there as well, and this hot pink too. The champagne is the middle nail, the glitter nail. Then I'm going to go in with this AB gel and it's like a shimmery pink, but you guys can't really see it. So I did all of that twice. I didn't record all of it, but I did all of that twice. Then I'm going to go in with the Modern One's base coat, and I'm going to go over the light pink nail, and I'm doing it thin at the top and then kind of thick at the bottom because I'm going to be putting this heart charm on. And then after I have that, I like it, I'm going to put it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I did go over with base coat on all of the nails as an encapsulation after I got done with the other two designs. This one I just did like a glitter ombre. I've been loving this glitter ombre with a solid base color. And then I'm going in with these transparent hearts or translucent hearts or whatever you call it. And yeah, here are how my nails are looking. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and make sure you watch the video before this one so that way you can see the details for the giveaway.